Hi everyone, welcome back to Rihanna's Kitchen Corner. Today's video, I'm going to share Labeshireen. It's a rich, creamy custard and a classical Arabic dessert. This is rich flavored custard with vermicelli, fresh fruits, dry foods, fresh cream and jelly. Here I'm using strawberry and banana jelly. I'm using only half of the packets. Custard powder. Here I'm using mango flavored. You can use vanilla as well. I'm using that colored vermicelli, half cup of sugar, 1 liter whole milk, 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. In a saucepan, add 200 ml of water and brings to a boil. Then you can make the strawberry or banana jelly and cook until it completely dissolved, and then you can transfer to a mold and refrigerate until it's set. Then you can cut it into desired shape. In a separate bowl, take 1/4 cup of milk and add 5 tablespoons of custard powder and whisk it until there is no lumps. Let's prepare the custard mix. Pour 1 liter of milk to the saucepan, and then you can add half cup of sugar and whisk it until the sugar melts completely. And now you can turn on the heat. Once the milk starts boiling, you can add this mixture slowly in the milk and keep stirring until it gets thickened. Then you can turn off the heat and let it cool completely before refrigerate. Meanwhile, you can prepare the vermicelli in the boil the water, and you can add half cup of vermicelli in the water and cook until the vermicelli gets softened. It takes around 5 minutes, and then you can drain it, and then you can mix the vermicelli with heavy cream and keep aside. Now our custard mix is room temperature. Now it's cool enough. Now I'm going to transfer this to a serving tray and then mix it well. Then you can add the vermicelli mix which we prepared, and then you can cover it and let it refrigerate for like 6 hours or overnight. Let it refrigerate for 6 hours And you can add the rest of the ingredients just before serving. I'm using 2 bananas. I'm adding 2 cups of grapes chopped, and I'm adding 1 pomegranate seeds, and then 2 gala apple chopped. Our jelly is ready. You can cut it into small pieces and keep it aside. Our custard mix is ready. Now we can add all the dry fruits and fresh fruits to the custard. You can add chopped nuts as well. Here I'm not using, since I'm making it for a big gathering. I don't want to use any nuts because of the allergies. So you can add that as well if you have no issue with the nuts. Finally, you can add the cube jelly and make sure to save some for the garnishing and give it a mix. Now it's the time for the final touch. I'm going to garnish with some pomegranate seeds and cubed jelly on top. At this moment you can do the chopped nuts as well. Here I'm skipping that. Thanks for watching everyone. Hope you like this video. I hope you will try this at home and let me know your feedback. And this is a very good refreshment during the summertime. I will see you soon back with another yummy delicious recipe. Bye. Take care.